Hello everybody, welcome to NEET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve an MCQ in the chapter Ray Optics. So the question is, light travels a distance x in time t1 in air and another distance 10x, the madi 10 மடங்கு 10 times 10x in time t2 in another denser medium. What is the critical angle of the medium? What is the critical angle? So this question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2023. Okay, that's it. Now you are given four options. Sin inverse of 10t2 by t1, then t1 by 10t2, sin inverse of 10t1 by t2, sin inverse of t2 by t1. So these are all the four options. So, the critical angle is associated with a concept called total internal reflection. Total internal reflection. So in that case, in the case of total internal reflection, light rays travel from a denser medium to a rarer medium. Denser medium na ganamana udagam. Rarer medium na konja light ah irukku. சரியா? So sin IC is equal rarer medium பெரும்பாலும் air தான் காற்று. So sin IC is equal to 1 by n. Okay, sin IC is equal to 1 by n. So it is n is because it moves from denser to rarer medium. So n is equal to refractive index. By formula c by d. What is c? Velocity of light or speed of light in air. V, speed of light in the medium. So it means what? 1 by n is equal to V by c is equal to sin IC. Okay, sin IC. According to this equation. So let us proceed. V is the velocity of light in the denser medium. Velocity is distance by time. How much of distance for denser medium? 10x. How much of time? t2. Okay. Similarly, c is the velocity of light in air. How much of distance traveled? X. How much of time taken? t1. Substituting these values in the equation. What is the equation, sir? V by c is equal to sin IC. So sin IC is equal to, what is V? 10x divided by t2. What is c? Divided by V by c divided by x by t. Okay. So this x cancel. So instead of dividing this, you can inverse the denominator. It is t1 by x and multiply. Okay. So a 10 is there. This t1 is also there. 10t1 divided by t2. X and x get cancelled. So IC is equal. So sin IC is equal to 10t1 by t2. Therefore IC is equal to sin inverse of 10t1 by t2. So option 3 is the right answer. So far we have seen at about 7 questions in this chapter Ray Optics. We will see in the next video an MCQ from some other chapter. If required, we will see more questions in the Ray Optics also in later videos. Till then, thank you one and all.